Big story that we want to look at. It's a story that should once again make us all hang our heads in shame. The Dadri lynching, you might remember, is still fresh in our memories. It happened only last year. Now another incident, this time in Haryana, has exposed the vulnerability of our society as far as the laws over beef are concerned. A video purportedly recorded on the 10th of June shows right-wing vigilantes force-feeding cow dung to two people they suspected of smuggling cow meat. Those two men can be seen with bruises on their face and throwing up when compelled to eat cow dung. Watch this horrific report. We've masked some of the visuals so that they are not disturbing. But if this isn't India's shame, then you decide for yourself what really is.
These disturbing images filmed at Delhi's door. Two men forced to eat cow dung in one of Delhi's largest suburbs. The entire horror captured on a video. The incident that happened on the 10th of June was recorded by right-wing vigilantes who egg on the duo to eat the cow dung concoction and wash it down with water. Bruise marks on the face of the two also point towards a possible assault before this humiliating punishment. The police though say that they have not received any complaint about the issue, even as right-wing vigilantes claim innocence.
तो हमने राजू की स्टेटमेंट पे एफआईआर दर्ज की थी और उसके बाद हमने इनको अरेस्ट किया और अब उनको जिस समय हमने ले दिया।
जैसे हम पीछे से पहुंचे तो लोगों ने उनको काफ़ी पिटाई भी कर दी थी और उनको जो है गोबर खिला रहे थे। मैंने कहा ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन तब तक भीड़ अपना काम कर चुकी थी, अब उसमें किसके ऊपर उंगली उठाई जा सकती है।
The video has emerged days after three Gau Rakshak volunteers were shot at another Delhi suburb of Gurgaon and highlight the other side of the holy cow conundrum playing out in the suburbs of the national capital. Bureau Report, India Today.
Those pictures really bring to light the manner in which this entire issue of beef trade has a darker, uglier side in states like Haryana, where there is a complete ban on any form of trade, not just on eating the beef. Raman Malik, chief spokesperson of the BJP in Haryana, and Shobha Oza, spokesperson of the Congress, with us. Raman Malik, how do you explain these pictures to us? Please explain to me the shame of Haryana, the shame of India. Is this what this country is being reduced to? That on the suspicion that someone is engaging in beef trade, they are going to be made to eat cow dung like this? ये क्या हो रहा है?
One, Rajdeep ji,
Yes.
I very well understand your question and let me answer to you very upfront.
Yes.
One, the manner in which you are terming it as shame of India,
Yes.
it is a good way to portray it, I believe, to increase the image of the country, where you know that the channel is being looked after by many countries. But at the same point, I would love to tell you
Yes.
that this incident is not supported by the government. The government is very clear on this issue that we do not support any person doing any illegal activity which defies the rule of land.
What have you
and
done, sir?
is
I'm sorry. What have you
unconstitutional.
done? You are
We
saying
do
the
not
government.
support it.
Sir, you don't support it, but what has your government done to stop the volunteers of the Gau Rakshak Dal from engaging in such activities? It is one thing that your government decides to have a ban, complete ban on cow slaughter. That is your right as a government. But if the Gau Rakshak Dal is going to take matters in their own hand and going to act like a vigilante group, what is your government doing about that?
See, the government is looking into it. I yesterday again was on a debate on the same topic, and after that debate I had called up the concerned people in terms to the police department, and I had asked them that what was the entire incident all about, and what they told me was that there were some vehicles which were carrying some meat and that the public got together and they stopped it, and then the things escalated. It was a mob. But all the same, the instructions from the government are very clear that no person whatsoever of any lineage should be permitted to use any illegal mean.
Sir, but
That
the fact
is one
is, the
part.
fact is
The
that these
second
groups
part is
believe that they
we
have
are
the
not
state's
into
patronage.
appeasement.
These groups
We
like
are
the
not,
you
Rajdeep ji,
yes.
we are not into appeasement.
Appeasement of whom?
We are not into appeasement of any particular caste or creed like the previous governments were.
Sir, it is this is not about appeasement. Forget this. This is not anymore about Hindu Muslim. This is about basic treating human beings with some element of dignity. Surely such groups are not operating in a vacuum. They are operating
Sir,
because they believe they can get away with it. They have state
Sir,
patronage.
these are not operated by BJP government. Are you planning to say
no,
that
what
these
is
are
the Gaur-
operated by BJP government?
I am asking you, what is your relationship with the Gaur Rakshak Dal? Are you
Is
willing
that
to
a
act
part of
against
BJP?
it? No, are you willing to act
No.
against such
Is
groups?
Rajdeep Sardesai
Yes.
on the national television stating that this is a BJP organization?
Shobha Oza, respond to what you've just heard. Mr. Raman Malik is saying, how can the BJP be blamed for what is being done by the Gaur Rakshak Dal?
Mr. Malik, did you act against any Gaur Rakshak Dal member? When the chief of Gaur Rakshak, Mr. Yadav, justifying the act, did the Haryana government act against a single Gaur Rakshak Dal member for this inhuman behavior? You're going soft on them, so there's no fear of law. And what are you talking about previous government? There's a prohibition in Haryana and
Would you
Punjab
be able to
since
identify-
1955. What are you trying to show?
Ma'am.
As if the BJP government has brought in a
Ma'am.
prohibition of cow slaughter in the state of Haryana and Punjab? Do you mean to say that?
No, 1 minute.
Nobody
No,
supports
1 minute,
that.
1 minute.
Because you
Shobha
give you
Oza,
the legal
Shobha
right to
Oza,
act
Shobha
and kill
Oza.
people.
1 minute. Raman Malik is saying, if the Gaur Rakshak Dal on their own, a mob goes on the street and engages in this manner in forcing people to have cow dung because they fear
It is
that
a
this
criminal
group is
act.
carrying beef, they're saying they have nothing to do with this group. How do you respond to that? They say they're washing their hands off the Gaur Rakshak Dal.
No, they cannot. They cannot. Because they did not act against a single person involved in this entire issue.
That's
And this is
precisely
not
the
the first time
point.
that has happened in
So
Haryana.
what
We've
did you
seen
do
so
in
many times.
1984?
No, I don't want to go in the past, Raman
So
Malik.
why
I want to
has
talk
the
about today.
government
No,
It was
Raman
not-
Malik, let's
No,
talk
no,
about
no, no.
It was
2016,
Let's
sir.
not into the
BJP
past.
supported.
No, I want
Are
you
you
to...
being soft towards Congress, Rajdeep?
No, I am being soft towards the individuals who have been treated in an inhuman manner. I want to know why there have been no arrests.
Correct.
I want to know why there have been no arrests. I don't care about Congress or BJP.
So
I
let
want to
me
know
tell
why there have been
you-
no arrests. There is a law of the land. If people take the law into their own hands, they must be punished. That's all I'm asking.
Correct.
So who has been
Correct,
punished?
Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai.
Why has
And
nobody
you
been
just
punished?
cannot say that it was
Madam,
Madam, just a minute.
Let me
There
tell
were
you
people
something.
known to them.
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Malik.
Ma'am, I would love that if this was true, but it is not. But if you know the people and you can identify, please give me the name. The police is doing its own work. Let them do their work rather than being a police yourself.
Mr. Malik,
But at
one
the
Mr.
same
Yadav
time, in
claiming
no
to be the
second breath,
chairperson
I
of
am
Gauraksha
telling
Dal
you
justifies
that no.
it.
No,
Let me complete, ma'am.
Yes.
I've been decent enough to listen to your statement. Let me say what I am saying. Then you can counter me. My point of contention here is that whatever the legal process is, whatever the legal doings is, the police of the area concerned are doing their job and they are at the job. Let them come out with things. Let them identify the mob. One. Secondly, whereas you are saying that we are not arresting anybody, hence we are colliding with them. So same manner, if we can go back to 84, it would then be another issue which I would not like to
Madam,
pick up right now.
you know, please let
And
us
the
not.
third
84.
point here
No,
is
why are we comparing
that
84
at
with
the
220?
same
I want to know
point,
why no
if
one has been
Mr.
arrested. Why has no one? This incident happened on the
Then you'll have
10th.
to
No,
go
1
to
minute.
2002 also.
Madam, I am not interested in 84 and 2002
Correct,
today. I am
Rajdeep.
only.
Don't try to divert the
no,
issue.
please. We are interested in 2016 in,
Why does
in June of...
2002 come always for you, Rajdeep?
No, 1 minute, Raman Malik ji. She is breaking 2002. I am asking you
Why do you go back to 2002?
I am asking you of
Is there
June
any
28th.
fixation with that?
Mr. Malik, I am talking about June 28, 2016. I don't care about 84 and 2002. You raised 84, Shobha Oza raised 2002.
Correct.
I am interested in June 28, 2016. On June 10th, this incident has happened. It has now come on camera. For 18 days, what has your government done to arrest people of the Gau Rakshak Dal? That's all I want to know.
One, it was not in the notice of the government.
Not in
It
the
has
notice?
come
What was your
to the
police
notice
doing?
Of the government.
What was your police
We have
doing then?
taken- It is being asked what is the police doing, and whatever they are doing, the process is already on since yesterday night. I had conveyed the same thing to the concerned authorities that this must be taken up at utmost importance. At the same time, let me also give you another thing, that this is a very malicious circle, and it's a mafia that works, whereby I am not trying to compare, but let me also bring to your notice, 3 days back, there have been 2 or 3 children who have been shot by these slaughter agencies.
Sir, if there are
So,
slaughter agencies,
this is a
please
very
use the
big
law of the
malicious
land.
circle
Sir,
going
if
on
there is
in
a mafia,
particular
please,
area,
sir, if
and
there is
this
a
must
mafia,
be-
work the law. There is a law in this country. Whether it is someone who's violating the law or someone taking the law into their own hands, where is the government in Haryana? That's my only point. Let us not defend the fact that for 18 days
The
no one
government
has
of
been arrested.
Haryana is there and it's working. There is. Would you like to understand the situation that there are buses which are created, and those buses carry cows. There are luxury cars which carry it. All that I'm trying to tell you here and the nation is that this is a serious situation. I have categorically also requested everybody involved that rather than to take the law into your own hand, please take help of these
I will wait for the
or
arrest.
police, and
I will wait to
please
see arrest,
make
sir.
sure that this
I will
is
wait to see
known,
the arrest.
rather than indulging into vandalism and
Okay.
doing stupid acts like this.
I will wait. This is not just stupid, it's inhuman, and I will wait to see whether action is taken, whether arrests are done. If they are
know.
not, then Shobha Oza will be right in suggesting that these
Rajiv, there are
groups
a
are
lot
being
of people who
patronized.
do not work with their conscience.
Okay,
in
we'll
every
wait and
field.
see. We'll wait and see. I appreciate your joining us, Mr. Raman Malik, and I appreciate your joining us, Shobha Oza, to give us your perspective.
you.
Thank you both very much for joining me. Those are the shocking images that are coming in. They're not stupid, they're simply inhuman. Let me turn to the Indian...